Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. It feels like this winter has lasted forever and we are somehow still in the middle of the February. And even though the amount of snow this winter here in New York City was a total mood and I love it, I am officially ready to retire my puffer coats now. I'm so ready for spring, for warm sun, for blossom, and especially ready to dress like a person who doesn't live in tundra. So today we are gonna talk about spring fashion, to do a little bit of shopping, and of course some bits and bobs of New York life will be included. I need to refresh some of my basics, and I also want to find a couple of unique and interesting pieces for the new season. And speaking of which, I may or may not have found my new favorite bag. It's from a small Korean brand and it has this structural but soft chic look. I'm very excited, and to be honest, discovering smaller brand where you can feel the care behind design and quality is my favorite kind of shopping. So the order is placed, fingers crossed for the smooth delivery, and I hope I will do unboxing in this vlog. But today we are going to COS to check the new pre-spring collection, so let's go. is fully in a spring mode. There are so many new and colorful pieces and colors. This season are so beautiful. I personally really love this kind of trend around green color. There are so many different shades available, like olive green, like super bright green, or khaki green, or matcha green. My personal favorite is pistachio green, which is kind of a rare color to see in the clothes, but I love wearing it. And I had a sweatshirt in that shade like years ago, and it worked so well with the denim blue, with navy, with gray, you know, with them all main colors of my super intentional wardrobe. I loved it so much. Completely worn out, faded by the sun, you know, the best kind of love story. And there are a lot of green pieces in COS right now as well. I have tried one green cardigan in almost my dream shade. Very lightweight, very good for spring. But the thing is, I rarely like cardigan in general, and this one was not exception. And I also really like this pastel pink and butter yellow colors. I would love to have a button-down short for spring and summer in these colors. It would be perfect, and I love wearing shorts, and I don't have a lot of them, so a little bit more option would be perfect for me. But the fits of the one that I tried in COS didn't work for me. And color-wise, I think like the bright red color is gonna be a big thing this year again, which will work so well with pastel pink and pastel yellow, by the way. And I already have a few red pieces in my wardrobe that I'm very happy with and gonna to enjoy a lot this year again. So yes, in the end, I would say I like accessories more from the new COS collection, especially these low profile suede sneakers and new bags, and especially this clutch. So yes, no purchases from the COS this time, but those sneakers and clutch are gonna live rent-free in my head for a while for sure. Well, I still did purchase something from MUJI, which I think such an underrated brand when it comes to the clothing. I think they are great for basics. Do you remember their simple classic white canvas sneakers that cost only $20? I love them, and I really appreciate their quality, their simplicity, and sometimes prices as well. We went to their store last weekend to buy basic tee and long sleeve for my hubby, and I spotted this trench coat. Very simple, very classic silhouette, great quality, no fluff, just a great style, and I loved it. So I got it in size S. The length of the sleeve is perfect. It has two pockets like this, very good deep one. The buttons are in the same navy color, so there is no specific attention around them, which I really like. And as I said, the quality is really good, and you can see it in the small details like this little button inside. And there is this little thing if you want to fix color like this. So the price is almost $90, but they were also running like the winter sale promotion, 20% off for all the clothing. So I got this very classic short trench coat that I absolutely love for just $70. I am so happy. And style wise, it obviously gonna work so well for casual dressing, but I actually think that it's gonna work really well for more formal occasions as well. And I think I even gonna throw it on top of my like sport wear when I go to Pilates studio or yoga studio. So style wise, it's super versatile, and I'm so happy. And I think it's gonna work so well with my new bag as well that I'm still waiting for. The good news, they managed to ship it right before the big new Lunar New Year holidays. So hopefully it will arrive soon, and I will see you. I have great news. My bag just arrived, so let's do an unboxing straight away. So in the end, delivery took around 2 weeks from the day I placed my order, and it was shipped from South Korea, and I didn't pay any extra charges or tariffs, which was very nice. And as we can see, it was packed very, very carefully, so the chances are it's arrived safely. So let's see. Oh wow, such a beautiful packaging. Just look at this dust bag and elegant tassels. I love it. Before placing my order, I also contacted their team just to double check on any specifics for delivery to New York City. And they were very fast to respond, very helpful and friendly. And ta-da! So yes, packaging is very, very careful, which I very, very appreciate. Ta-da! First impression, it's great and I absolutely love it. The leather quality is amazing and I love its texture, and this little minimalistic look looks so stylish. And here what we have inside: crafted object for the aesthetic of everyday life. Cute. And there is one pocket with a zipper and 2 additional ones on the other side. Such a great style, and there is a bit of Balenciaga Rodeo vibe going on here, and I think this kind of bags is gonna be so popular for the next few years. I really like how practical it is. It can fit all the essentials: my camera, a book, a water bottle, and even change of clothes for the evening yoga class. And it doesn't feel bulky. It's very, very elegant, and it's actually not heavy at all. And I really like the shoulder strap. I realized I cannot do top handle bags anymore, at least for everyday use. For the small bags it's completely fine, but for something that's supposed to carry not only my phone and lipstick, I don't want to hold it in my hand like all day long or like this, you know. It gets heavier, and I also want to be hands-free. The length of the strap works well with all like wide sleeve clothes, so I'm gonna wear this bag a lot during cold month with all like big and oversized clothes, but also during spring and autumn, and I think it's gonna work perfectly for summer as well, for that like cool summer in the big city looks. I love it. Oh well, and I completely forgot about LESET. So a lot of my basic white tee got worn out this time around, so I need a refreshment in this department of my wardrobe. So I treated myself to the Margo tee and the long sleeve, and if you know, you know, it's basically tee royalty. I love this fabric. It's very, very soft one, and this fit is perfect. It's not too slim and not too relaxed, as well as these sleeves, and the length is perfect, and you can wear it on its own, and somehow it's not boring even though it's a simple white long sleeve. And V-necks is very popular this season, as you may notice, and LESET has already their Margo tees with V-necks, but to be honest, I still prefer crew neck, especially for like this basic layer. Oh, I just love it. And I love it's all together as well. So happy with all of my purchases. And this bag, guys, such a big city girl, such a modern classic bag. I love it, and I especially love that it's shoulder bag. My search for the shoulder bag started last November when I saw the geek bag from Phoebe Philo in the store, and I fell in love not only with design, which is, you know, very simple but not boring, understated yet interesting, but also with the comfort of the shoulder bag. So I realized I really want to find like a modern version of classic shoulder bag comfort. So yes, the gig bag is definitely on my dream wish list, and I'm especially curious about this cookie dough color. I haven't seen it in real life and photo could be misleading, but I definitely have a thing for greenish color. So I'm gonna to enjoy my little Limer croissant for a while now instead, which is goes so well with navy, with blue, with black and white. As you can see, I really cannot wait for spring weather and I feel very inspired. So new video is coming very soon, and if you are interested in fashion, personal style and intentional wardrobe, as well as a little New York City life moments, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next one. Bisous bisous.